guys ha. Oh! Like ano, celebration dahil natapos ko ganun. Dapat ano, as in pumasok talaga sila. Akala ko bahay ko lang. Like pangkalahatan talaga guys. Oo. Now I know. And si Willie sa isda siya. Wait for the fight. What? Mag-aaway sila? Bakit? Ako naman bumuo niyan eh. Baka mag-aaway dahil okay, binigyan niya ako ng trophy. Boys grumble. What's that? Si Morris! May-ari ng Jojo Mart. Oo. This isn't good. Let's be reasonable. Well, let's settle this in an old-fashioned way. Pag sinabi kasing old-fashioned way, guys, ano yan eh? Magsusuntukan, tama ba? Tama ba? Or something, may mas brutal pa? Yes. Ano sa tingin mo? Sige, eto, sinamahan mo ako panghuli ng catfish. Ngayon, ikaw mag-decide dito sa dalawa. Bottom one, let's go. Time to settle this once and for all. Oh, and how do you choose to do that? Okay, magsusuntukan sila guys. Primitive. Primitive. If you're too scared to fight me, then bring it. Uy, grabe, babae yung niya doon. Babae yung magsusuntukan sila guys. Hey, shoutout sa'yo mga ko. Living bigger than fish. Ooh, trash talk. It's just like Jojo, but quantity over quality. Trash talk din yun guys. Uy, yung matanda din guys. Boom! Grabe naman yan guys. Wala, nasira yung bahay. Wag naman. Yay! Sigma siya. Boys. Boris at this Jojo Mart. We never heard. So, mawawala yung Jojo Mart. Oo. Akala ko nandito pa sila lahat. Okay na guys. Okay na. Shoutout sa'yo, Rain.